If you're feeling lost or hurt, this message is for you. Jesus once said, "Love your enemies." It's one of his most challenging teachings, but also one of the most transformative. Today, you're being called to embrace this divine love. It's not about ignoring pain, but rising above it. Choose peace over revenge. This love has the power to change everything, not just others, but you. As you sleep tonight, let this love guide your heart. When you wake, you'll feel a new hope stirring within. This isn't by chance, it's a divine appointment. Share